Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Picked this up there for about 50 bucks. I'm going to try to do a quick flip. And there's a lot of things wrong with it, but I'm not going to fix it to 100% because these don't go for much here around here. Maybe if I could sell this for $300-400, I'd be lucky. So I'll show you what's wrong with it. Mower deck got holes in it everywhere here. It's all rusted on this side here too. A lot of surface rust on the fender deck. The motor doesn't turn over. Yeah, stick around to the end of the video. We'll have numbers how much money I made. Alright, let's see if she starts here. A little gas in here. So this battery's pretty weak. I've just finished charging it up here. So it's testing there now. It's just 44 cranking amps. That's really, really weak. Let me take this battery out of here. And I have a brand new one here. This is 425 cranking amps. Really a good one. Made in Canada. Turns over. Turns over, no problem. Well, I'm going to remove this deck here. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. He's pretty much rotted. I'm going to try to put a patch here. Yeah, this deck's too far gone. I'm just going to tack that up a little bit. I welded it up here a little bit there. She's pretty solid. I might put a patch right here. These blades are shot, but I'll try to sharpen them. Actually matches up pretty good. Yeah, it's not bad. Still ½ inch here, ½ inch there. The deck's pretty solid here, but it just rusted right here. Yeah, the bearing at the bottom here is shot in the spindle. It's all wore here. Beat the edges back in. That's a lot better. Slide there. It's all gone. Now, spacers. Here's the spacer and then the bearing. Spin it. Right there. Now I got it back together there. New bearings. The idlers are good. The brakes work. This is solid. There's a few holes in it, but this way I'm going to sell it. I'm gonna set up the mower deck. I put this at 2.5. I'm gonna put this underneath there in the back of the blade. Put that underneath there and adjust it. And I'll make the front a little bit lower. I already got a video on how to set up the deck. I'll put the link in the description below. 2.25 inch block, and look how low the mower deck is. It's way too low. This should fit underneath there, so I'm gonna raise the whole mower deck up. I got it set up. I loosened this bolt and adjusted that, and just to the other side. The bolt in the front there, I lowered it. Now it's cutting at 2.5 to side, about 2.5 strong. It's pretty close to 2.5, but the front on the other side is a little bit low, but it should be okay. I got the tire pressure set up to 9 in the back and 14 in the front. I was gonna quickly buff the hood here and make it a little shinier, make it look a little better. Easier to sell if it looks good. This is just a compound here, G3 compound. A little bit of water there. I've just finished with the coarse compound. Now I'm gonna go over the polish. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Put a little ceramic coating on that. That looks a lot better. I gave it 2 coats. That's good enough. Yeah, she's all done. I got a buyer coming in this morning for it. I sold it for $500. That's pretty good. The mower that works. It cuts grass. I told them that the mower deck it's rough. It's got holes in it, but it cuts. And mower blades needs to be changed, but it'll still be good for a year or 2. And she's still a good mower. Doesn't burn oil. He's happy with it. I got 3.5 hours into it. I sold it for $500, so it's over $100 an hour, so that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. If you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.